What's up with it? Watch this video to the end, y'all. Check out what I got today. Woo-wee. I got fried chicken wings, onion rings, a salad, and 2 peppers on the side, baby. 2 peppers on the motherfucking side. That's right. Woo, man. What a day, what a motherfucking day. Shit, boy. But that sounded good, y'all. Boy. I love salad. Even though I don't eat a lot of them. I know I should, but I still love them. Man. What I'm drinking, y'all, I'm drinking whiskey, water, and lemon juice. That's my little concoction right here. Whiskey, water, and lemon juice. Man. I'm gonna talk about something tonight, y'all. You know, some of my subscribers want me to talk about this. You know, certain things I try to stay away from, you know. I mean, I might talk about it sometime, glance over it. I don't really talk about religion that much. I don't talk about politics that much. And I don't talk about celebrities in their life that much. And the reason why I don't talk about it that much, because it's like voodoo. That shit can backfire on your ass, you know what I'm saying, man? And another reason I don't talk about it, I don't really give a fuck. You know, I mean, I care about religion, but the other shit, I don't really give a fuck. But, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Oh, man. So I'm going to talk about P Diddy tonight, man. You know, I told a couple of my subscribers I'd do this. You know what I'm saying? I don't really talk about celebrities that much because they already got theirs. I'm trying to get mine. You know what I'm saying? Shit. But I saw that video of P Diddy, you know, beating that girl up in that hotel and shit, right? You know, shit. That was some fucked up shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. That was some whole shit. Especially for a man to do some bullshit like that to a woman, man.
Right.
Shit. I mean, I would never do that shit. I mean, I done got into it with women in the past. But nigga, I ain't never done no shit like that. And I ain't gonna never do no shit like that. Oh, shit. Especially if I had money. The kind of money this motherfucker got, man, and the fame and fortune he had, man, nigga, ain't no way I would have done that bullshit, man. Especially no motherfucking hotel with all them damn cameras around, man. I don't know what the fuck he was trying to prove or do, man. He knew these motherfuckers would watch. I mean, I don't even understand this shit, man. But you know, man, I ain't gonna lie, he do deserve to be in prison, man. Oh, shit, man. But, man, you ain't really, you know, shit, man. Hold on. I mean, him going to prison ain't no real punishment for this motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying, man? I mean, he already like dick in the ass, you know what I'm saying? So him going to prison ain't nothing but dick heaven for this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? You know, I listen to these people music, but I don't really get into their life, so I don't really give a shit. You know what I'm saying, man? But, you know, fuck, man, you know, but him going to prison ain't no real punishment, man. I mean, you can take this motherfucker away from his money, his mansion, and his lifestyle and all that shit, man. But he ain't going to no real prison no motherfucking way. He going to some old club mad, you know. Niggas like that don't go to prison. Now, if I went to prison, you know, I'm going to go to the real hardcore prison. This nigga ain't going to the real hardcore prison. If you want to punish this motherfucker, man, he need to go to the hardcore prison. And I ain't even talking about the man prison. He need to go to a female prison. You know what I'm saying, man? Cause yeah, that'll punish his motherfucking ass. He go to a women's prison. Cause you know, the women would love to get their hands on this motherfucker. Especially after seeing that motherfucking video. Nigga, man, the women gang would love to fuck this motherfucker up, boy. That's where the fuck he need to go, to a hardcore women prison. That's where the fuck he need to go. Man. But I taking good as motherfucker, y'all. No. Man. But this motherfucker, boy, he did a lot of shit. Him and a whole lot of other motherfuckers. They did a lot of wrong. They did a lot of evil with this, and they done a lot of demonic shit. But no matter what the government do to his ass, it really won't be about shit. They tell you the truth. He can go to prison. He can pay a lot of fees and fines and shit. But that shit really ain't hurting his ass, man. People like P Diddy and all them other motherfuckers, they ain't gonna pay the real price until the Almighty come back, man. As long as we in this physical world, he ain't gonna never get his justified punishment, man. No. Well, I just don't understand this shit. If I was P Diddy, with all that money, all that fame, and all that motherfucking fortune he have, man, ain't no way I would have done this shit. And if I was to do some shit like that, it wouldn't be no motherfucking hotel where there's a bunch of security cameras, man. You wouldn't get me on camera doing this shit. This motherfucker straight up stupid, man. I don't know why these people think they're above the motherfucking law, man. It's just a matter of time before the shit come down on your ass, man. You can get away with a lot of shit, you know, man, for a long time. But if you keep doing this bullshit, the shit gonna catch up with you. It's gonna bite you in the motherfucking ass, boy. And I saw, and when I saw the way P Diddy did that girl in that hotel, I thought about my daughter. What if my daughter was dating P Diddy? And he did my daughter like that, man. Ooh, shit, boy. If I would have saw that shit that was my motherfucking daughter, man, look here, nigga. Nigga, he gonna be some, nigga, I ain't gonna lie to you, nigga. He gonna be some bullets flying like a motherfucker, boy. I already know I'll be in prison, boy. That motherfucker will have to go. I ain't bullshitting. I already know I'll be locked up, man. But it'll be manslaughter. Motherfucker, it'll be straight up manslaughter. Shit, nigga. Woo, man. God. That is some shit, boy. And by him having daughters, a daughter, I don't know. Like I said, I don't get into the celebrity life. But I know he got some kids. I don't know how many girls he got, how many boys he got. But I know he got a daughter, at least one, maybe two, I don't know. Man. Look here, boy. Man, I know. Back in the days, I did my thing against women, but I never done that shit. I was never abusive like that. I never was abusive, period. But I did some shit. I probably was more mental abusive than physical abusive. After I had my daughter, a lot of shit changed for me. You know what I'm saying? Shit, boy. A lot of shit I used to do, I don't even do no more because of my daughter. Man. And my daughter opened my motherfucking eyes. And his daughter should have opened his eyes. But I guess it didn't. I mean, P Diddy ain't gonna never get his justified punishment. Man, look here, man. If I was a judge and I was to sentence P Diddy, I bend this motherfucker over. I take a big old fat ass dildo, put lighter fluid on it, and light that motherfucker on fire and shove it up his motherfucking ass. That'll teach his motherfucking ass. That's what the fuck I would do if I was a judge, man. Shit. And again, he might like that too. Shit, who knows? Shit. He might like that shit too. Shit. I know he like dick more, he like pussy. I know that shit. Boom. I don't know. Man. To tell you the truth, I don't know what to say about this shit. I don't know how to respond. I just know the shit's fucked up. It's fucked up. And no matter what punishment he get, it won't be justified. All the shit he done in the past, whatever he get, it won't be justified, man. Shit. Man. But I do know one thing. It's some good ass chicken, boy. Hey, man, he bullshit, nigga. Shit, man. And that motherfucker Will Smith, his motherfucking name is Nix. He done some shit too, boy. That motherfucker's Nix. You just watch him sleep. No. Ooh, I need some more ketchup, man. Shit. Fried chicken good as motherfucker, boy. Like I said, I didn't really want to talk about this shit. Because, man, I did a lot of bullshit in my days, too. It wasn't no shit like that, but
We don't know that.
I don't want to call her. You know what I'm saying, nigga? I don't want to. Fuck, man. What's that little saying? They saying, I don't want to call the kettle black or some shit? Nah, fuck, I don't know. Boy. Boy. Just like that, my chicken gone, boy. I had some more chicken. My son came down here and got that shit. But, but I know one thing, man. Man, these celebrities, man, they fuck off a whole lot of money over sex. You know what I'm saying, man? Over bullshit, man. If I had that kind of money, that kind of wealth, that kind of fame and fortune, nigga, ain't no way I'm gonna fuck my life up over dick and pussy, boy. It just ain't gonna happen, nigga. Man, I'm not raping nobody. I'm not drugging nobody. Man, I'm not dragging nobody down the motherfucking hallway. I'm not kicking nobody. Shit, if I had that kind of fame, I wouldn't even go to a motherfucking club, nigga. Shit. They do all that work. All that bullshit they did, man. Just to fuck up. They made all that money. Got famous as all around the motherfucking world. Just to fuck up. And that would never be me, boy. But you know, I guess some people let that fame and fortune go to their head, man. Well, They let all their fame and fortune go to their head. But not I, said the blind man. That shit ain't going to my motherfucking head. Shit. And I done a lot of shit to get money. Well, woo, man. Like I said, what P Diddy did was fucked up. Well, if I was that female that he beat up at that hotel, I'd be happy as a motherfucker he done that shit to me. Because she finna get paid, motherfucker. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, man? She finna get millions, man. Nigga, her life is getting ready to change. Just because she took her ass beating. At least something good to come out of it, man. At least her life's gonna change financially, you know. Cause he gonna have to pay her ass, boy. So all he did was make her ass rich. That's how the fuck he did, man. Just like all these white police beating up black people and shit. All the fuck you doing making black folks rich? Doing that bullshit. You might kill that one person. You know what I'm saying? But the government, the police, whatever, that state, gotta pay that family. All you're doing is making niggas rich. That's all the fuck you doing. And that's all P Diddy did was make her ass rich, man. Probably a whole bunch of more other people he probably. I don't know. But like I said, I don't really want to talk about this shit that much, man, because I don't really know. I don't even keep up with that shit that much to even really be talking about it. I'm just talking about the shit that I know about. You know what I'm saying, man? I know about that video. And I'm just commenting on that motherfucking video, man. Shit, man. And that was a fucked up ass video, boy. Woo. Boy, shit there, boy. I be talking and drinking, man. And I be eating. I don't even realize this shit gone until I look down. I'm like, damn, where my fucking chicken go, nigga? Shit, nigga. I was a motherfucking chicken shit, nigga. Where my damn chicken at, nigga? Shit. Motherfucker shit. I know damn well I eat that shit. Even though I ate that shit. Yeah. So. I'm not gonna hold you, baby. I just oh shit. Ooh shit. I'm just making this video because I said I was gonna make this video, and I try to keep my word, man. If I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. So I said I'm gonna do something about this P Diddy. I said I was gonna speak on this shit, and I did. So I done it. So hey, I kept my word. All right, y'all. Until next time, subscribe, baby, subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that bullshit.